Okay, hello there YouTubers. So it's day 2 of my 100-day project daily art video, and I've already changed it. It's no longer the 100-day project daily art video. And the reason is because 100 days is a long time, and I just don't think I can really commit to that. But, so what I've changed it to is 100 days of practice and the daily art. So if you have taken my Skillshare class, Watercolor Journaling for Beginners and Artists, then you will recognize this format and process that I'm utilizing for my daily art practice. But if you haven't taken it, you can take it for free by using my teacher link below. And that'll give you 2 free weeks of Skillshare if you don't have Skillshare. But then also, if you do have Skillshare, you could just take my class, and then you will learn the process that I use to practice my watercolors daily in this handmade watercolor art journal that I made, which I also have a class on making your own handmade watercolor art journals as well. The girl that taught me said once you've made your own watercolor journals, you'll never go back to buying them, and that is absolutely true, because I can pick the watercolor paper I want, I can put a cover on it or not have a cover on it, whatever I want. There's so many different options. So anyway, I can't give it to you for free because I signed a contract with Skillshare as a teacher that I wouldn't offer my classes for free in other platforms, but you can take it for free with my link if you don't already have Skillshare. So here I've decided today to utilize this, I think it's pronounced Pagos watercolor palette. So I did a review on this watercolor palette because I absolutely love this watercolor palette. And in fact, you know, I'm going to try and put a link to this video somewhere in this video when I upload it to YouTube, because to the review, because it's really fabulous. So I just decided to use it today. It's less than $20. It comes with pencils and erasers and pencil sharpener and I don't remember, but it's less than $20. And if you're just starting out in watercolor, I recommend this because it's inexpensive. It comes with a brush. I've never used the brush, but the colors are just so fabulous. And yes, they are not light fast. They're not artist quality. I wouldn't recommend selling your work. I know for sure that some of those reds are not light fast because I've done tests on it. But for your watercolor journal or just learning watercolors, they're beautiful colors and they are so fun and fabulous to use. I recommend them. So I just decided that in honor of I had just done this review video of these cheap art supplies, that I would use this palette in this painting. And so that's what I did. So I utilize my watercolor journaling and daily practice to, to practice different aspects of my artwork. And so here I just, painting an angel, but the thing is, every day I have opportunity to work on my hand lettering, my portrait painting, whatever other skills that I want to practice. And so in this painting, and most of my paintings, I utilize a very intuitive approach to my color palette, meaning that I don't pre-plan it. I just go in there and I start picking colors as I decide I want to use them, and no really pre-planning or forethought. And I'm just as surprised as anybody else to see how they come out. So for instance, I just decided that I wanted to do her with green hair. I wanted to do these rose-colored glasses. I've been exploring angels because I was going to do a class. Maybe I still will do this class on Skillshare, Marimogo inspired angels. And they're just some cool looking angels, And so I don't know, that's just what I felt like doing this today, working on today. And so that's what I did. But she's pretty cute. So anyway, as I started working over there, I decided her hair should be green. And I like it. So I like the green hair. I really like this bubblegum pink there that I'm using on the cheeks, and just to kind of give the body some vibrancy. You know, sometimes you do the same things over and over again, and you kind of really say, why do I keep doing this? I must like it, right? So one of those things for me is I always shade my skin, my body the same way. I don't know. I must just like it, right? So I always do that, and then I have a similar approach to hair. And so, yeah, I guess I like it. But so one thing that I know for sure is that I like, you know, dimension. And so things that give you some dimension and interest are using. So hey, if you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, follow, blah, blah, blah. You know, all those things you do on the internet cost you nothing but mean a lot. Hey, thanks so much for watching my video. See you tomorrow. Bye.